What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. I'm back with yet another glitched or bugged mission in Once Human. So, if you're trying to do this Deviation Mr. Wish mission in Wishland Eastern Park, zooming in down here, you'll need to feed a bunch of animals at this section of the mission. Or, well, ghosts that think they're animals. On the left is, I think, the lion. You can do this one just fine. Then it says feed the caged flamingo. This is not the flamingo, but the one on the far right is. So if we approach it and hit F, you'll see that I simply just get staggered and I can't actually do anything. This is where the mission soft locks, and that's pretty much that. If I spam it as fast as possible, eventually it'll work. If you are moving in between and pressing F, things don't seem to work, but as long as you stand still and spam F super quickly, you can probably get this done, even though you just keep getting staggered when you try and press it a bit slower. Just spam F while standing still, and if that doesn't work, hit escape, exit game, and choose relog in. Then choose your server again, join it, and stand exactly where you are, spam F, and you should be able to get this done relatively soon. So as long as you're spamming F super quickly, it'll probably work. Just don't move in between spamming F, otherwise things seem to break. The same happens here with the lion. If I hit F, I get staggered. If I move and try again, the same thing happens. But if I stand still in the same exact spot and just spam F, eventually things will work. So I'm spamming F, and just after the staggering finishes, we're done. That's it. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.